I'm sure you've heard the news. Local SEO is a game changer for small businesses. Here's how to make it work for you. Hey everyone, in this quick video, we'll dive into how local SEO can help your small business stand out in local search results. First, make sure your Google business profile is up to date. Accurate hours, location, and contact info are key. This helps your business show up when people nearby are searching. Next, focus on location-specific keywords in your website content. Instead of general phrases like best coffee shop, use something like best coffee shop in your city. This helps target local customers. Another essential step is to manage and respond to customer reviews. Positive reviews build trust and signal Google that your business is credible. Finally, list your business on local directories like Yelp and Bing Places to boost your visibility even further. With these local SEO tips, you'll attract more local customers and grow your small business. Thanks for watching, and let's get your business booming.